Welcome to Excel Language Center, your new home in learning English. At Excel, we focus on quality of education, entertainment, and engagement between the students and the teachers. With multinational students and teachers, we aim to make your English language journey fun and fruitful. Our center is the only center that is accredited from ISO and various universities and organizations worldwide. Our teachers are highly qualified in teaching students from different levels and various backgrounds. We offer kids classes during seasonal holidays and also adults classes with a unique 7-hour-a-day program that is run in a monthly course year-long. I invite you all to join us at Excel Language Center to begin the first step of your English language journey.